Emily asterisk Hey Paul, do you have any plans for the holidays?
Asterisk Paul asterisk yes. I'm going to visit Thailand next month. I've always wanted to see the beaches there.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How long are you going to stay?
I think I'll stay for about 2 weeks. What about you? Do you have any travel plans?
I'm not sure yet. I might visit my cousins in Canada, but it depends on my work schedule.
Oh, Canada. That would be fun. Are you going to fly directly from London?
Yes, if I go, I'll book a direct flight. I don't like long layovers.
Same here. Have you started preparing for your trip already?
Not yet. I'll start packing once I get confirmation from my boss.
Makes sense. I'm already buying some summer clothes for my trip.
You're really excited, aren't you?
Of course. It's my first time traveling abroad. I'm going to take lots of pictures.
That's great. Are you going with friends or alone?
I'm going with 2 of my college friends. We're going to explore Bangkok and some islands nearby.
Oh, nice. Which islands are you planning to visit?
We're going to visit Phuket and Koh Samui. I heard the water there is crystal clear.
Yes, I've seen pictures. Are you going to stay in hotels or rent a house?
We're planning to rent a beach house. It'll be cheaper and more comfortable.
That's a smart idea. Are you going to try scuba diving or snorkeling?
Yes. I'll try snorkeling for sure. I'm not brave enough for scuba diving yet.
I totally understand. I'm going to learn swimming before my next beach trip.
That's a good plan. Are you planning to travel this year or next year?
Asterisk probably next summer. I'll start saving money soon. Traveling to Canada isn't cheap.
True. I'm also going to save some money for shopping in Thailand.
What kind of things are you going to buy there?
I'll buy souvenirs, some local handicrafts, and maybe clothes. I heard they're affordable.
Sounds like a great plan. Are you going to try Thai massages too?
Absolutely. Everyone says they're amazing and super relaxing.
You're going to have such a great time. I'm jealous already.
Don't worry, Emily. One day we'll travel together too.
Deal. I'll plan something once I finish my current project.
Perfect. We'll make a list of destinations together.
Yes. And next time, you're going to help me plan everything.
Sure. I'll be your travel guide.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Mastery for more amazing English stories like this.